Today I'll teach you how you guys can change your Spotify username. Now there are two names on Spotify, your display name and your username. So most people get confused thinking that their display name is their username, but they are not. Let me show you what both of them are. You want to click on your profile picture at the top left corner and click on where it says settings and privacy. Over here you want to choose account. Now the name at the top, which is username, that is basically my username and I cannot change it because username is given to you by Spotify when you create an account. It is going to be random digit and random things over here like this, so you cannot change it. But the name which you can change is the display name. And don't worry, your username is not going to be shown to anybody else. Only your display name is going to be shown to everybody else. Your username, only you can see it because you're the account owner. So to change your display name, you want to click on view profile at the top and click on edit over here. From here you can see the option name, just click on it and then you can start editing the name which you currently have. So I will change it to something random like Good Songs Listener. So this is going to be my new name. I can click on save at the top right corner and the change will be confirmed, and as you guys can see, my name has changed. So that is basically how you guys can change your name on Spotify. In specific, you cannot never change your username, so this is the only thing you can change. So I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.